Hello students. In this video, I'm going to tell you that if you get a question like this, that a Boolean expression is being given to you and you had been asked to have your minimum implementation. That means you want to implement it using NAND gates only. NAND gates only. So how you are actually going to do that? That's a very, very important thing. So first of all, we don't know about this question whether it is minimized or not. So the good thing is what you have to do is just go for K map, and K map you already know that this is going to be the K map divided in two portions, and then further two portions. Now you will be writing AB and CD, then putting the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. And this is going to be a very important step. If you don't do this, you're always going to make mistakes. So now, how to fill it? So either you can fill it directly A, B, C. So that is rather a tedious task. The reason being, you have to write this A bar, B bar, A bar, B bar, and then A bar, B, then AB, then AB bar. Similarly, C bar, D bar, E bar, D, CD, and CD bar. Okay. So A, B, C. So A, B, and then C where C is constant C. So directly you can do that. Then CD bar. So CD bar means CD bar. So this is the entire thing. Then AD. AD. So where A is constant, A is constant. Where D is constant, this is constant. D is constant, A is constant. So fill. Now after doing this, the last thing you are supposed to do is group them. So when you group them, group of this is possible, this is possible, and now we don't require any other term. So that means these are the only terms we have. So you end up with a CD bar and AD. So these are the minimized expression. Now we have to implement it using NAND gates only. Now, before implementing it with NAND gates, the first thing you're supposed to do is implement them as it is. So this is C, and this is going to be D bar. So have gate here, CD, and this is going to be and next is A and D and so this is the simple implementation. Now we had been asked to go for implementation using NAND gates only. So what you are supposed to do, replace this and OR gate. So this is a OR gate. This is basically a OR gate. This is your OR gate. OR gate. And we are going to replace them with your equivalent and NAND gates. So when you have AND gate, so a NAND gate can be converted into AND gate using simple thing. So you are going to replace it here, and your OR gate is to be replaced using bubbled NAND gate like this. Or we can say this is the one thing, this is the another thing, another gate. So this is acting as a NOT gate and putting NOT gate as input to AND gate, and this is giving you output as OR gate. So now replace them. So the first thing is I'm going to replace them here. So this is your CD bar. So this is your C and D bar again in AND gate is required like this. After that, you are giving A, then D, now putting the same to OR gate. So equivalent of OR gate is this. So this is your output. Now there is a catch. This is not going to the final implementation. Wherever you are having it two NAND gates in sequence, two NAND gates in sequence or NOT gates in sequence, so that is equal to null. So they can be eliminated. This is going to be eliminated. So you end up with so now we end up with this. So now I want you people to look at this, that this will give you this output. So here you can see C D bar. So C D bar. So this is equal to C D bar, and here you will getting bar after this, and here you are getting A D bar like this. So this gives you C bar plus D. D double bar is D, and this gives you A plus D bar. So now when you combine this gives you C plus D dot A bar plus D bar, and at output you will get like this. So this gives you C bar D, C D bar plus AD. So this is going to be the output. So here you can see that we have implemented this using only NAND gates. So the important points are, first you should know that the things are minimum or not. If not minimum, then you are supposed to minimize it. So thank you very much, and I would suggest you to focus on some more questions so that you can work more effectively.